Hello everyone and welcome back. Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home. And in today's video, I'm so excited to share with you guys some DIY, Dollar Tree, and budget-friendly Christmas decor crafts. This is another episode in my huge I Love Christmas series. I love to share with you guys how you can make your home's boutique gorgeous on a budget. Listen, I truly believe that y'all don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. I also believe that crafting and decorating is so good for your heart and soul, so keep up the good work crafting and decorating and just having fun making your home that cozy space. Now listen, don't forget to follow me over on Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page. I'm sharing some giveaways this holiday season, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's totally free. And hey, I'm a one-woman show, so I'm blessed and honored to have y'all here. Now let's get into the fun stuff. Without further ado, let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. You guys are going to love this easy, inexpensive, trash to treasure Dollar Tree DIY. Grab some shoe boxes and cut the tops off. What we're going to do is we're going to create some super amazing little inexpensive faux presents for under our Christmas tree. I see these at Hobby Lobby on Pier 1 and they're super expensive for really what they are. So grab a shoe box, cut the top off, and then you can take a Dollar Tree automotive cloth and hot glue around the edge of the box. And this is just a shoebox size, so if that helps for the sizing on the automotive cloths. And then you're going to go ahead and glue and tuck your ends. So glue the top of the box here and go ahead and take the ends of the fabric and then give them a little hot glue and then a quick little tuck. Now I'm going to take ribbon and secure this even a little bit more with ribbon. So it is secured on here, but that ribbon really helps. And I'll show you guys that step in just a sec. So again, you're just going to glue and tuck. And again, you guys, these are so fun to make. Grab some ribbon from Dollar Tree, or I got a bunch of this Hobby Lobby plaid value ribbon. I'm thinking this is going to be a really fun little rustic chic glam video for you guys. So I just cut the ribbon. That's going to get your ribbon to stretch a little bit further, and you're just going to wrap it around, cut and glue, and bam, you have one of those cute little packages. I know you guys have seen them at Hobby Lobby and on Pier 1 Imports and some of your decor stores. Okay, I decided to make this rustic glam, so I'm taking some of this gold ribbon and just kind of wrapping it, layering it on top of the plaid. I want to do rustic glam, I think, this year for Christmas. I've really been kicking around, what am I going to do this year? So I'm thinking this might be the way that I might want to go. I have a lot of kind of French country and farmhouse kind of in my home. And so I don't want to like pull all of that out, but I do want to make it a little bit more glam, but kind of keep that country. So let me know what you guys think. Should I do country glam or rustic glam? Okay, the next thing I want to do is take my easy bow maker, and these are on Amazon, you guys. They're so easy and fun to use, but I'm going to make a quick little bow. So I doubled up my ribbon. This is going to be a 5-inch bow, so you can go 5 inches, 4 inches, and 3 inches, and just use that little prong in the center to kind of hold your bow maker on. And Easy Bow Maker has tons of videos on YouTube if you guys want to see those. And you're just going to dovetail those ends and then take your pipe cleaner and pipe cleaner that off in the center. This is such an easy bow. And I've already put out a couple of bow videos for you guys. Just go check out my I Love Christmas series and you'll find more of those. Okay, now give your bow a really, really good fluffing. That's really what you want to do. Always try to use wired ribbon as well. Now from Totally Dazzled, and I will leave a link in the description box, but Natalie is my sweet friend and she has this cute little bling company. I'm going to add some bling to the center of this bow. Might as well. You could add jingle bells, pine cones, whatever suits your fancy. But again, I'm doing like that country glam. I want to say like Dolly Parton meets Garth Brooks. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And then I added a couple little pom-poms to the back of that bling jewel so it doesn't like wobble around. I made several of these. I'm going to share with you guys how to make the little buffalo check plaid one. I'm really crushing on that one as well. I think I might also bring in some red, some tartan plaid to some of this, but I did want to show you guys just this neutral idea because I have been doing a ton of red. So you guys can always change this up and customize this to suit your decor. Let me know what you guys think about. I hope you're loving it and are totally inspired.
Underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that
Okay, I'm excited to share with you guys a super fun little cardboard trash to treasure ornament project. So grab a shoebox lid or any pizza box, anything that you guys have that's cardboard, and use a little plate and trace a round circle in it. And then the next thing you want to do is cut that circle out. And then I'm going to take some of this Dollar Tree scrapbook paper. This is from my sweet friend Stacy, and I'm just going to trace around the scrapbook paper. I love this. I think you can make Cricut designs on this as well. I actually gave my Cricut to my son's girlfriend because I just couldn't get the hang of it, you guys. I mean, I tried and I've done some Cricut stuff, but it just wasn't something I was passionate with. It frustrated me a lot. Anyway, I'm going to cut out the little circle here, and we're going to make just like a round circle ornament. And this is going to be really cool. I can't wait to share this with you guys. Okay, so go ahead and put your adhesive paper on there. You guys could also Mod Podge a napkin onto your piece of cardboard, or you could even just use craft paper and some Elmer's glue. They have craft paper, super inexpensive. You could even use wrapping paper to make this ornament. Okay, now I'm taking some bling, and again, this is from Totally Dazzled Bling, and I'm going to layer that on top of this little piece of scrap ribbon. This is just some black velvet ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I think it's really classy and chic. I've never really done any kind of black for Christmas, but again, I'm trying to do that kind of country glam or rustic glam. And I just think it looks really elegant and chic. So anyway, I'm going to add this to the top of my little ornament, and Dollar Tree carries this bling ribbon. It's the same kind of bling ribbon. It's a little bit better quality from Natalie. But anyway, I'm going to add some cute little Dollar Tree pine cones underneath this. And you guys, this is really coming together. And remember, these ideas are completely customizable to however you guys decide to decorate. You don't have to necessarily decorate like I'm decorating, but just take these ideas and make them your own. So if you love shabby chic pink Christmas, do it in shabby chic pink. If you want candy cane, grab some candy cane paper. But these are a fun little way to make kind of a jumbo ornament on a total budget. And you can use so many scraps too. And you can see I'm robbing my evergreen over there. I'm going to pop that into the base of it just to kind of finish it out and make it all come together. And I can't wait to actually get out some of my ornaments and do some of these on my ornaments. So I'm going to add a cute little pom-pom to the center of that. That's going to kind of pull it all together. And look at how cute this is, you guys. And it's literally a shoebox lid. Just jazzed up. Grab into your craft scraps. I know you guys have scraps from crafting. I do. I always think I need to run out and buy like $200 worth of supplies to make something. I'm this year really trying to reuse what I already have. So check it out. I hope you guys are loving it and are totally inspired.
Snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way.
For this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how to make a super fun, little easy candy cane decor idea for Christmas. Now, I'm going to use one of those Dollar Tree scarves, and this is going to be kind of in a rustic glam style. So take the Dollar Tree scarf and just run some hot glue down the base of this. And this is super easy to do. So you guys can use deco mesh on these, or really any ribbon, whatever you want to use to kind of cover that candy cane wreath form. And I could do this a lot fancier, but I wanted to share with you guys just an easy idea for how you guys can use those. So I'm going to start and then just gently start wrapping around the top part of the candy cane. And again, this is going to be kind of more like a rustic glam style. I usually try to do videos where everything kind of matches, so it gives you guys an idea on how to decorate in a theme idea. I've done a lot of candy cane theme this year, and then even in years past, I did several different Christmas trees and ideas in a lot of farmhouse style, and even some beautiful shabby chic and glam. Okay, so this is the back of my candy cane. It looks a little rumpled, but we're going to take this pretty gold ribbon I found at Hobby Lobby and just wrap it around to make that kind of candy cane form. And Hobby Lobby has all of their Christmas 50% off right now, you guys. So jump on that, grab your ribbon, grab your supplies, and get to do some crafting. Now, this isn't probably going to look perfect, but we're going to have a giant bow that's going to cover any of our imperfections. And that's what I kind of love about what I do. I feel like you can, cover things up and make things fun with some big, fun, giant bows. So continue to wrap till you get to the end of your candy cane, and then you can just trim off your ribbon and just gently hot glue it around to the end. And that was the end of my roll. I barely actually made it to the end of the candy cane. I think luck was on my side on that one for today. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so I'm going to just give it a little dibble dabble of hot glue, and then bam, we're going to use the Easy Bow Maker. This is speeded up. Of course, it does take quite a bit longer to make a bow, but with the Easy Bow Maker, it's actually not too bad. This is 5 inches on the measurement side if you're using the measurement, and I've shared with you guys a ton of bow videos already where you don't have to use a tool, but this is like 25 bucks on Amazon. It's a little bit pricey. I think you can get it cheaper at the craft stores. I ordered it during COVID though, when you weren't allowed to go to a craft store. So anyway, now I'm going to add the little bow to the base of my candy cane, and I'm feeling kind of yummy bling rustic glam here. And remember, you guys can do this candy cane red and white. I've done a ton of them red and white for you guys, but this we're kind of trying to do something a little bit different, a little bit neutral and fun, and a little bit rustic, a chic glam. I do think I might want to though pull some tartan or some red into this, but let me know what you guys think, and if you're inspired to make a fun little DIY candy cane for yourself. Happy crafting.
This holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself.
For this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how you can jazz up one of those Dollar Tree kind of flimsy stockings and make it look a little bit more high-end and chic. So I found this cute little gnome one. And what I want to do is stuff it with some of that plastic, just paper or plastic bags from Walmart. And then I'm going to hot glue this cute little buffalo check plaid fabric to the top of it. Now the red and the little snowman-y fabric is cute, but I am doing kind of like a rustic or country glam style for this. So I thought this buffalo check plaid might go a little bit better with what I'm trying to go for here. And maybe like a little bit more neutral. I've done a ton of reds the last couple of years, so I'm thinking, I might pop in some neutral, but I will probably add some sort of color. So you just take and you add that pretty fabric around the top and then tuck it in and add in some little dabs of glue. And I think this is looking super cute and fun and fabulous so far. Listen, I'll tell you guys, I love doing these stuffed stockings. I think they come out really cute, and they really make those cheap Dollar Tree stockings just look more bougie. And that's what we want. You guys could also use pillow stuffing instead of just a plastic bag. Okay, so now you're going to make a quick little easy bow. Just take that ribbon, loop it over on itself. I did get the bow on this one a little bit fluffy, but hey, I love big bows and I cannot lie. The next thing I wanted to do was tie it off in the center and give that bow a nice, good fluffing. And then you can have fun and get creative and add little doodly dads to the part of this. You could add some more ribbon. You could add just whatever fun things that you love. Have fun with it, get creative, and go for it.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment.
And here is how that super adorable snow gnome came out. I think he's absolutely the cutest thing ever. He's got a big old fat bow on his head. I guess he's a snow lady gnome. Anyway, I hope you guys are inspired to just take a fun little stocking, give it some love, jazz it up, and make it fabulous.
Just us and no one else. I've decorated everything.
Okay, let's create another super awesome Trash to Treasure DIY. I'm going to use this fabric and a shoebox, and we're going to create a really easy, neat, a little Christmas decor piece. Okay, so I love these fake presents. I think they're so fun to hide things underneath. So just take the shoebox and add some fabric. This is some buffalo check plaid fabric that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm hot gluing the top part of the fabric. And then once you get to the end, you're going to hot glue the ends and then give it a little tuck under. These are great decor pieces and a super great way to repurpose and reuse this Amazon box or maybe some shoe boxes. But don't go out and spend money on boxes. You guys have got boxes laying around. I know you do. So anyway, cover a box with fabric or craft paper or whatever you guys have on hand, wrapping paper, and then add some cute ribbon. This is just velvet ribbon from Hobby Lobby, but I'm thinking I'm going to do like a country glam. I'm thinking Dolly Parton kind of style, maybe. I don't know. You guys know I love my bling, but I also love that kind of chic French country look, farmhouse kind of, I don't know. So anyway, this is what I'm going for. I'm adding in bling to my buffalo check plaid and my black. Let me know what you guys think. I think I should either call it country glam or rustic glam. So let's go ahead and drop those comments down below. Let me know what you guys think, rustic glam or country glam. And remember, you guys can do your own variation on any of this. You know, use your colors that you love. I'm going to use this easy bow maker to make a quick little fluffy bow. I added in that black ribbon, and then I'm adding in some of this buffalo check plaid ribbon, and you just take the ribbon and go side to side and then dovetail those ends. You guys know I'm a stickler on that. Make pretty ribbon ends. Pull it off of there, tie it off in the middle with a pipe cleaner, and then you can hot glue it to your package, or you could pen it if you wanted to be able to remove the bow and store it for seasonal decor purposes. But then you want to give your bow a good fluffing and, of course, a beautiful glam jewel. Now, I get all my glam jewels from Natalie at Totally Dazzled. She's super fabulous. She's a small business owner, which I love to support her. I'm going to leave a link in the description box of my YouTube video here for Natalie at Totally Dazzled. If you're watching this on Facebook, just pop over to Natalie at totallydazzled.com and she will hook you guys up with the most beautiful bling for the best prices. As always, I ask you guys comment and let me know what was your favorite DIY in this video. Which one will you be recreating? And I'm going to tell you right now, my heart is back. So I love y'all. I'm so thankful to have you guys here. And I'll try to pop in a fun little video of Benji Bear. He's my puppy dog, and he's a funny little guy. Thank you guys again for being here. Thank you for following along with me on my journey. I think this is my 4th or 5th season on YouTube. I'm not even really for sure. I think it's my 4th season. Actually, this year will be 4 years. And it's just me, you guys, and my little camera. I'm a one-woman show. So I'm thankful and blessed to do what I love and to share that with you guys. Thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafty decor adventure. It is a true blessing and honor to have you all here. If you all are new, welcome. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and I love to share with you guys how you can make your home's boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe that y'all don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. Now listen, I just want to encourage you guys to keep up the good work crafting and decorating and just making your home that cozy space that you love to come home to. I feel like you know, it just gives all of our kids and grandkids something to look forward to, and it gives ourselves something to look forward to when we created a space that is uniquely ours and just cozy and comfortable and fun. So I want to encourage you guys to keep up the good work no matter where you're at in your crafting and decorating journey. Everybody has different skill levels, and you know, we're all just trying to do our best. Remember to encourage someone that you love today and give them a smile. And also, don't be so hard on yourself. Give yourself some grace. I know there's plenty of projects that I attempt that I have to toss out or redo, or I'm actually pleased with. So you just never know when you're going to hit the jackpot on that crafty inspiration. Now listen, also keep up the good work in your life's journey in general. We've all been through something in the last couple of years have been very difficult for everybody in some way, shape, or form. And in that note, remember to be kind online. A lot of our world has turned very into social media, which means it's easy to hide behind a keyboard and you know, clickety-clack away and be unkind. So what we want to do is to be kind, because we don't ever know what somebody might have going on in their life. So that's a voice that we can use for good. It's just being kind. If you see somebody's cute grandkid or kid post on Facebook or Instagram, give it a heart, give it a like, leave some kind comments down below. I guarantee you that positivity is going to come back on you. So let the negativity go and let the positivity in. I love y'all to the moon and back. I can't wait for our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribing is totally free, and follow me over on Facebook. And until our next video, remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. Talk to you guys very soon. Bye-bye.